That's a heavy wind, you know. That's right. Welcome back to another video and to another morning ride. This is Sebe Camera here with the morning ride also. And today, okay, this is still in Lamen and I'm heading towards the Lamen Lodge. But you can see, wow, the sky. All right. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please I'm inviting you to subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends and family. You know, so that they will also have the chance of seeing the new Gambia or what we show in the Gambia. All right. So yes, this is Lamen. This side is, I think, is Lamen. Is it Medina? Yeah, something like that. Anyway, if you know this area, is this the King's Johnson? Okay, this is the way that goes all the way to King's and also at Lemon Lodge. All right, so if you haven't seen video of Lemon Lodge, please make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'll be riding all the way to the Lemon Lodge. All right, yes, so that's it. Also, if you are in the diaspora or if you're in the Western world, you have never visited the Gambia before, all right, yeah, you can contact me anytime you want to visit the Gambia and you want to come around and see what's going on in the beautiful Gambia. Okay, yeah, so I will link my number in the screen here so that you can always talk to me anytime and any moment. Yes, all right. And also if you have some suggestions that you think we should do, all right, that will also help us in improving on our channel. Okay, so let me just increase my speed a little bit because it is very dark right now and you know it's very cloudy. All right, so this is King's. All right, we did a video once here. You can also check out for that video. Just want to make sure I am at King's before, sorry, Lemon Lodge before it rains. All right. I just did a mistake that I did not check my weather app to see when it's gonna rain, or at least followed some certain predictions. All right. Wow. Whoa. It's long. So you know, in rainy season, all the ways are kind of very poor, and this one is not an exception. Right. So, all right. Wow. I just hope I am able to make it all the way to that place, you know, with the video because you know the thunder and lightning is something that is very serious. Okay. Just want to make sure. Wow. Woo. Heavy wind. I don't even know which way can lead me to Lamin Lodge. This way used to be very good. I don't know if now it is working. All right. The video might be shaking a little bit. All right. Whoa. Okay, so that's a heavy wind, you know. That's right. I'm close, very, very close. It's very, very heavy, you know. But I'm with best. You can see someone also is in front of me running. Aha, ngabori deh. Enggak ngabori deh. Wow. Alright. So I'm also rushing. The camera might be shaking a little bit. Alright. So, but I hope, you know. Sorry, my camera was. Oh, wow. Heavy rain. It's twice, you know. I've been doing video and then the rain met me on the way. This is the second video that I did, and then, you know, it's raining so heavily, man. Let me just relax somewhere around here. Okay? Wow. Uh, so yeah, this is where I can hide out for now. All right. Let me just clean the camera. Yeah. So this is where I will hide out for now, for the meantime, and then wait for the rain to stop. Okay. I want to show you, okay, Lemon Lodge, how it looks now. Okay. But you know the rain. I'm exhausted. You know. So you can see those shells over there. Muso. All right. Oysters. So you can see all these places with small, small shops, canteens, I would say. All right. So I also um, turn off the phone because it's raining and the tunnel lighting is not safe. You know. Yes. That's the best school, man. Yeah. Okay. So yes, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like this video. You know, share it to your friends and family, and also, you know, so that they can also see, you know, the Gambia. Yeah. See you in the next video.